Hello, grade 8. This quick video clip is just to help you again figure out how to balance a simple chemical equation. So we're going to look at the oxidation of copper. So if you burn copper, you are reacting oxygen with it. You're giving it heat energy, and the heat energy is making the atoms of copper and oxygen collide to make the product, which is copper oxide, which we looked at during lesson. So let's balance it up. Obviously we've got copper here, and I'm going to add to it oxygen, and remember oxygen is diatomic, so you have to put a pair of oxygens in, okay, which you have there, and then the product, as you know, will be copper oxide. So there it is, copper oxide, and they're chemically bonded. That's our compound. But as you can see at the moment, the left hand side of our equation is heavy, which means there are too many oxygens, because there's two oxygens there and there's only one oxygen here. So what can you do? Well, you can't simply put an oxygen on like that, because that molecule, remember a molecule is more than one atom joined together, doesn't exist. Copper oxide can only be CuO, okay? So what you can do is you can add another copper oxide molecule, and by doing that it means then that you've got the right number of oxygens on both sides of the equation. You've got two oxygens on this side of the equation, and you've got two oxygen atoms on this side, so you're fine. But now we're heavy this side, because as you can see we have two coppers here. So what can you do? Well, you can add another copper atom to this side of the equation, and by doing that then we've got two coppers here, two coppers here, two oxygens here, and two oxygens here, and we are chemically balanced. So now we need to put in the right symbols, and I'm going to write them in here. So you have how many coppers? You've got two, okay, so it's two coppers, and you put a 2 in front because that shows us that we have two separate copper atoms. And then we've got, I'm going to put an addition sign there, and then we've got O. Alright, now because they're joined, it's O2, okay, so that's what we've got. And on this side here we've got CuO, copper oxide, and remember it's a compound, so they are chemically joined. And how many of them have we got? Well, we've got two lots of copper oxide, and that's it.